Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to make a powerful Bluetooth speakers, with bass, treble and volume tune control. I first designed a simple circuit diagram for this project, using dual op amp IC, which will control the bass treble tune and will also provide good clarity of sound. Then I converted the schematics into the PCB. For easy assembly I ordered PCBs from JLC PCB. Get 1 to 8 layer PCBs for just $2. Efficient large-scale production reduces costs, and bringing you PCBs in unbeatable prices. And then I prepared the PCB for its components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB according to the circuit diagram. And yes, don't forget to solder 22 kilo ohms resistor between pin 2 and 7 of the IC. After completing the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. And here our PCB looks nice and clean. Now take 5532 IC, and place it into the IC base. Use this Bluetooth module and solder it with this 3-pin connector. Now use Palm 8403 amplifier module, and solder it with this 2-pin connector. Take a 5-volt voltage regulator, and solder with DC input of amplifier module. Now connect ground of both modules. And also connect positive of both modules. Also connect input of voltage regulator with main 12-volt DC input connector. I used these 3 watt and 4 ohm speakers for best sound quality. Connect both speakers with output of amplifier module. I used this 12-volt connector for DC input, and connect it into this 2-pin header. Also, I used these potentiometer knobs for better operation for tune control. Before any further ado, let me tell you that you can also order the same PCB for this project, without messing up on pref board. Just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your Gabber file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. Quality and lead time is reliable, all in-house production, ensuring stability and strict quality control in every process, and lightning fast PCB production, in just 24 hours. And then you can save to the cart for the checkout process. Also don't miss JLC PCB's 6-layer PCB special, get $30 off with a coupon, and enjoy top quality 6-layer PCBs, plus 2 UENIG finish, and no engineering fees for wire-in pads. Now back to the project, connect 12-volt supply through this connector. Now connect the Bluetooth device for operation.
Connected.
This will even perform better with good sound quality, when enclosed in proper enclosure box. You can build enclosure yourself using cardboard box. That's it for today. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.